Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this travel phone holder. Versatile clamp, use anywhere. More stable, it rotates 360 degrees, small and portable. One brand, multiple mounts. Okay. And then different translations, made in China. Alright, let's open this travel stand. Perfect, because I'm about to go travel. So hopefully I can use this. And it works. Okay, so here's the stand. And flip it to a desk or something. So I use a spring. They clip onto something. Alright. Then use it for the phone. Test it on my iPhone Pro Max. Suitable. You can rotate it any way you want. And it just clips in to whatever you're trying to clip to. It could be your desk. It could be a table on the plane. Or your mounts. Let's just rotate. Okay, this rotates too. Let's say you want to clamp it to the dashboard of your car, maybe. Clamp it and have it face you. Not sure how good that works, but that might be an option. And then it clamps into about the size of a power bank. There's some instructions on how to use it. And that is it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.